So hey everyone, in this video we will see how to connect phone to Xumo Streambox, casting, Bluetooth and setup option. So how to connect phone to Xumo Streambox? Connect your phone to a Xumo Streambox using Wi-Fi casting from apps like YouTube or Netflix as it does not support AirPlay. Make sure both devices are on the same Wi-Fi network, then tap the cast icon and select your Xumo device. If it doesn't connect, restart device and check network settings, since most issues happen due to Wi-Fi mismatch or disabled casting. So turn on AirPlay in Xumo TV. AirPlay is built in on Xumo TVs. No Apple TV device required. Make sure your TV is connected to Wi-Fi and updated. Otherwise AirPlay may not appear. Your iPhone and TV must be on the same Wi-Fi network to detect each other. Method 1. From setting menu. Press the setting button on your remote. Open AirPlay setting. Location depend on TV version. Turn AirPlay on to enable screen mirroring. So second method is using voice remote. Press and hold the voice button on your Xumo remote and say AirPlay setting because this directly open the AirPlay menu. Third method is from home screen. Go to your TV home screen, navigate to the AirPlay input tile, select it to open AirPlay setting. Second one is screen mirror. Swipe down to open control center on your iPhone, then tap screen mirroring and select your Xumo device. Your iPhone screen will appear on the TV instantly. Screen mirroring duplicate your entire phone screen, which is useful for apps that doesn't support casting. Third is screen mirror. In Android or Windows, on your Xumo device, enable screen mirroring. Depend on version. Go to setting then privacy, then turn on mobile video casting. OR mode, input then screen mirroring. Open cast, smart view or screen mirroring on your Android phone or press Window plus K on a PC. Wait for available devices to appear and select your Xumo device name. Accept the connection request on your TV when prompted. Your device screen will be mirrored to the TV within a few seconds. Fourth one is connect via Bluetooth. Open your Xumo box, go to setting then Bluetooth. Turn Bluetooth on. Put your phone in pairing mode. Select the device name on Xumo and confirm pairing. Bluetooth allow wireless connection for audio device like headphone or speaker, but phone usually don't cast video via Bluetooth. So fifth is use mobile app. Remote control streaming apps. Install app like YouTube, Netflix or any supported casting app. Open the app on your phone, tap the cast icon, select your Xumo Streambox. App send content directly to the TV over Wi-Fi, giving smoother playback than screen mirroring. Important notes are only one device can cast or mirror at a time. If switching devices, press home button to exit current casting. Work best with strong Wi-Fi connection. Casting better for streaming, mirroring, full screen sharing. Thank you.